So it is empties time. I can't actually remember when my last empties was, so we're just going to call this April empties, but it's kind of like April and March empties. And I've got a fair amount here, so I'm going to just jump right into it. I'm sorry if the bag rustles. I know that's very annoying for you, but since we've moved, I've lost the bag that I normally put my empties in, and I haven't got a basket or anything. It's not currently being used with stuff to put my empties in, so it is in a bag. It was in a bag in my wardrobe, and that's just situation, but I am sorry if you find it annoying, and I'm going to try and keep the rustling to a minimum. So number one, we have this body lotion. I actually used the last of this up this morning, and it is the Super Duper Zesty Lemon Body Lotion. A lot of people really like this brand. It's from the woman who created Soap and Glory, I believe, which sounds promising, and it's got no nasties in it, so like no mineral oil, no SLS, that kind of thing. But I don't particularly like this. I used it up, it was okay. I didn't think the scent was particularly strong at all. Nothing near like how Soap and Glory scent lingers, and it was just okay. I wouldn't bother repurchasing it. I might try maybe another like thing from the range. I'm quite intrigued by the shower gels, but I think they're expensive like for a supermarket brand, so I don't know. I used up one of these. This is the extra dark shade in the Cocoa brand tan. You know that this is my favourite tan, but it's very difficult to get hold of. It's always out of stock, so I have got another one at the moment, but I do really like it, and I dread when it finishes. Speaking of tan, I've also got an empty one of these. This is the Garnier Ombre Solaire No Streaks Bronzer Self-Tanning Dry Mist in the Intense version, which looks a little something like this. Really like this. I didn't like it at first, but I like it for a very specific reason. It's not enough colour for me to tan my face like if I've got no tan on, but if I have got fake tan on, what I'll do is I'll take a little bit of this and put a little extra on my face and a little bit extra kind of on this area, because this area seems to not cling on to tan very well, and then it gives me a bit of a deeper colour, and it's very easy to use. So yeah, I have repurchased that. Wait till it's on offer though, don't pay the like 11 quid that it normally is, because it's not worth that. I've got an empty John Frieda Visibly Bright Brilliant Brunette in Shower Lightning Treatment. I actually hadn't used this for ages, like for like 2 months, and I needed to use it, so I used it yesterday, and I just love it. Like it gives my hair such a lift and so much more dimension and colour, and yeah, I really like it. But I've got a horrible feeling that maybe they're discontinuing it, because I haven't seen it in store for a while, so I'm going to have to look into that, but please don't do that, John Frieda. Then empty shower gels. We have quite a few of that kind of thing here. I've got an empty, one of my favourites, bubble bath. This is the Imperial Leather Relaxing Orchid and Ylang Ylang, I never know how to pronounce it. Bubble bath. This smells like the comforter from Lush, in my opinion. I know lots of you have bought it on recommendation and really enjoyed it, and it's very cheap, so love that. I've already got another one in stock. And then I've also got an empty Radox Feel Lively. I like this range, but I only like the pink one, which is the peony one. I don't think any of the others are particularly great, but the peony one is lovely, and it's the it's Wild Peony and Lychee. Really nice shower gel for the drugstore. Like if you are fussy about shower gels, which to be fair I am. I like a nice shower gel. I don't just like using whatever crappy shower gel. Then I've got 2 more shower gels. These are from the Body Shop. I've got the Fuji Green Tea. This is really nice. It smells like Jo Malone's Earl Grey Cucumber fragrance, in my opinion. And also the Japanese Cherry Blossom Strawberry Kiss. I hate the strawberry shower gel from the Body Shop. The strawberry range, in fact, is one of the fragrances from the Body Shop that I really dislike. I just think it's just yucky smelling, but this smells beautiful. Let me see if I can remind myself. Fresh, fruity, but kind of a little bit fizzy, if that makes sense. Would definitely repurchase this. It smells really nice. Really enjoyed using that, actually. Then I've got some more hair care and that kind of thing in here. Let me fish it out. Okay, so I've got an empty Neutrogena Tea Gel shampoo. This is my go-to shampoo because I get a very flaky scalp, so I do need to use this at least once a week. And then I've also got a Aussie 3 Minute Miracle colour. I love this, okay, but I only like the colour version because it smells like peaches. The other Aussie products smell like bubblegum, which I'm not so keen on, but this one oh, it smells so good. It just smells like peaches, and it leaves your hair feeling really, really nourished and soft and lovely. So definitely recommend that if you like a nice conditioner. And it's one you can use quite often as well. Then what do we have here? More hair care. I used up the John Frieda Highlight Activating Moisturising Conditioner. Not crazy about the conditioner from this range, but I do really like the shampoo from this range. So I wouldn't buy the conditioner again, but I would buy the shampoo. This is the Dermalogica Oil-Free Matte SPF 30. Looks like this. I actually do really like this. I wear SPF on my face pretty much every day. I'm going out, and this is a really nice one if you have oily skin. It's super matte. Really recommend that. I've got a makeup empty here as well, which is exciting because that really happens. This is my favourite mascara ever. It's the MAC 3D Extra Dimension something. Love it so much, but I don't tend to buy it that often because it is very expensive, in my opinion, and I go through it quickly. So my second fave is the L'Oreal Paradise Mascara, but I love this one. Let me show you what the brush is like actually, for those of you who are wondering. I can't open it because it's been dried up, sorry. I can't show you, but it's like a bristly, it's like a plastic one brush, which I do prefer. The L'Oreal one isn't like that, but I still like it. I used up one of the Aldi Pomegranate candles. I like the pomegranate one, and I like the blackberry and bay one. The lime basil and lime basil and mandarin one is my favourite scent, but it doesn't last. Like, it doesn't smell when you burn it. So that's that. We're coming to the end of my empties now. Oh yeah, I've only got, sorry, one more makeup empty, 3 skincare, and we're done. Okay, so makeup empty is my beloved number 7 lip liner in nude. I have these in every handbag, in every makeup bag, everywhere. It's my daily lip liner. I love it. It's just awesome. My only complaint is I wish it was waterproof and it lasted a little bit better, but other than that, it's a beautiful lip liner and I can't fault it. Then I used up the Boots Botanics Rose Water Toning Spritz. Really like this, would repurchase it, I often do. I chop and change between this one and the Superdrug Vitamin E one. I like that one as well. Just as a nice kind of spritz. I don't think it actually really do much. Then I also used up the Nip and Fab Bee Sting Lifting Mask, which seems to have been discontinued and I can't seem to find it anywhere. But if your skin's looking a bit dull, this is a great one to just put on because it just gives your skin like a nice lift and kind of makes everything look really plump and lovely. But I did manage to pick up another one in TK Maxx, so that was good. But it is, in fact, I think it's been discontinued. Then I also have got an empty of the Body Shop Chamomile Silky Cleansing Oil. I love this oil to take my makeup off before I cleanse my face properly. Takes your eye makeup off, takes your face makeup off. I like the pump, even though it kind of does get a bit messy, but it just works really well at taking all your makeup off, and it doesn't break me out or make my skin any oilier than it already is. So that is everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have used stuff up this month or the last couple of months as well, because I like to hear what other people use up. And hopefully I'll be back with regular empties from here on out. Bye.